Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This comes in a white exterior with a black interior. Got some wood grain accents as well. Blind spot assist. 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz, and GLC 300 badging, and a power opening and closing trunk. This does have power unfolding seats there, in case you just need a little bit more room for storage. This vehicle also has the premium Burmester sound system throughout. And rear seats. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. We do have memory seats. Heated seats here with the driver seat controls, driver door controls, and our driver's seat. Apologize for the noise in the background there. A busy day in the shop. And here's our Mercedes-Benz steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle is at 25,870, and we do have a push button ignition. Here's our Mercedes-Benz radio, navigation system, and the backup camera, climate control, center console, and Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now, if you'd like to see any photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.